on the trails around 8 to get up at 6. What was that?
He was doing something.
Why are you so close to me?
You left the scene of an accident. Where you going?
What you following me for, though?
Why would you leave the scene of an accident?
What?
Why would you leave the scene of an accident?
What do you mean, why would I leave the you hit me, my nigga?
You hit.
I already got and everything.
Stop.
You hit us, nigga.
Stop. You said, why would I leave the scene? Nigga, you hit me. I can leave. Nothing's wrong with my shit. I can leave.
You right here. You hit me. You was whole time, nigga.
I have no damage in your whole shit.
Get the cops. Call me. Nobody left the scene.
All right.
You want your insurance to go up? Yeah, call. You want your insurance to go up? Because you rear-ended me. I have no damage. Your shit is fucked up. So you do what you want to do, Papa. Do what you want.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello? Did you hear all of this?
Yeah, call the cops, baby.
No.
You see me dancing. Calling the cops.
Any weapons involved?
We dancing.
Not to
We
my
left the
knowledge.
scene when you bumped. You bugging? Are you stupid? Are you stupid?
Your vehicle, please.
White and black. I'm trying to watch what he's doing because he keeps running around the window, banging and yelling.
You have to give me the location, so I'm going to put the job in the system in order for the police to respond.
44th.
Okay, so it's a white and black. What make is your vehicle?
Fuck to do.
We waiting on the cops too, because in a minute we leaving. And I'm gonna record you. And I'm not evading the same. So we waiting on the cops. You wanna step out, you mad big, we could do something. But you talking, and I'm not threatening you, but you following us. We ain't following you.
Who is following who?
That shit recording.
We're working, and you're following us. Don't follow us. You're threatening us, and I feel under duress at the moment. So I suggest you leave, and if not, I am telling you, I'm under duress because of you. So when the cops come, Tiara, I feel under duress. Should they not leave? I'm just saying that. I'm under duress. So when the cops come, I stated that. That's all. I'm just recording him right now, letting him know that we're not evading the scene, that he basically was following us in bumper-to-bumper traffic and hit us. We're not evading any scene. I already explained to him that I'm under duress. He followed us from the highway to our workplace, which is here in Gotham Market. We already displaced our cart. Nonetheless, we are leaving. If you have anything to say, Feel free. Do you have anything to say, sir? He does not. We are not evading the scene, and I already stated I'm under duress. He's maybe about 300 pounds, and I'm maybe about 150. He can come out and hurt me at any point if he wants to, and he followed us from the highway nonetheless. I recorded images as well of the damage that he has done. I recorded images as well of the back of our work vehicle. He is obviously in a private vehicle and is showing a MTA badge or here, and I'm asking him for insurance right now, and he is not providing it.
He doesn't want to give it?
We do have insurance. Sir, do you have insurance that we can have?
Yes, I do have insurance.
So can you provide it so we can exchange it and do whatever we need to? If not, then we will have a problem. Because we are ready to leave. And no one's evading the scene, and according to you, we evaded a scene when you are the one that actually bumped into us. And we recorded this already. Because you're looking at me like I'm crazy. You should have not have been following us. I feel under threat and duress. Your husband's about 300 pounds. So unless I have a gun or a knife, I can't defend myself. I'm a weakling, 140 pounds. So no problem. And I'm again recording the image of this guy. Look at his size, and then you'll see my size. And you'll see if I'm going to threaten this guy.